ELI 5. Why do rockets launch at a 90-degree angle instead of, say, a 60 or 45-degree angle? Rockets are designed to be as light as possible, because the heavier the rocket, the more fuel it takes to get to space. Ironically, one of the heaviest parts of a rocket is the fuel itself. So, rockets are designed to get to space using the least amount of fuel possible. To get to space, rockets primarily need to fight against gravity and air resistance. There isn't much you can do about gravity. You just have to push the rocket up harder than gravity is pulling it down. But there is something you can do about air resistance. If you can go to where there is less air, you'll have less air resistance. So rockets launch pointed up at 90 degrees because that's the fastest way to get to thinner parts of the atmosphere that offer less air resistance. In turn, this allows the rocket to carry less fuel, be lighter, and cheaper. Beyond that, there are other practical reasons why rockets aren't launched at other angles. Rockets are very heavy. When a rocket is standing up straight, it supports its own weight. When a rocket is propped at an angle, it must be sitting on some other structure that is holding it up. The parts of the rocket that are sitting on that structure will need to be reinforced to support all that weight. This extra support would make the rocket heavier, and might even give it an uneven weight distribution, heavier on one side than the other, which can complicate things. If the rocket was actually launched at an angle, it would probably need to slide and scrape against that support structure as it leaves the ground. There are a lot of reasons why that would be a bad design.